Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheeseburger. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want fresh ground beef, your preferred cheese, and good quality buns. Don't forget essential seasonings like salt and pepper. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll cover each step to ensure your cheeseburger is absolutely perfect. Now let's prepare the patties. Take about 1/3 of a pound of ground beef per patty. Gently form them into discs, roughly 1/2 inch thick. A small dimple in the center helps prevent the patty from bulging. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Remember, gentle handling is key to a juicy burger, so avoid pressing or compacting the meat too much. It's time to cook. Heat your pan or grill to medium-high. Place the patties down and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your desired doneness. Resist the urge to press down on them. Once you flip, add your cheese during the final minute of cooking. Covering the pan for about 30 seconds will help the cheese melt beautifully, creating that irresistible gooey layer. With your patties cooked and cheese melted, it's time for assembly. Lightly toast your buns for a minute or two until golden. Place the hot, cheesy patty on the bottom bun. Now, add your favorite toppings. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, pickles, and onions are classic choices. Finish with the top bun and serve your incredible homemade cheeseburger right away. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.